What's happening in our local real estate market? The stats for March are in and encouraging. Single-family home sales increased month over month for the second month in a row. However, year over year, closed sales decreased 16% for residential homes and 11.7% for condos. Pending sales decreased 2.5% for residential and 6.3% for condos. Our inventory increased 1.6% for residential and 10% for condos. The median sales price increased 7.5% for residential homes and 8.3% for condos. The days on market decreased 9.1% for residential and 7% for condos. The month supply of inventory increased 6.7% for residential homes and 11.1% for condos. Despite a continued competitive marketplace, there are positive signs of increasing consumer enthusiasm and decreasing reservation as we prepare to enter the annual buying and selling season, says Karen Cage, the CEO of RealComp. That includes more homes coming to market, less days on the market, and median sales prices that continue their rise month to month and year over year. New listings increased by 0.8%, pending sales decreased by 3.1%, and closed sales decreased by 15.4%, and the average days on market also decreased by 4 days, typical 40 days on market. The median sale price increased 7.8%, and the percentage of your last list price received increased slightly. Inventory of homes for sale increased by 2.8%, and month supply of inventory increased by 6.3%. The average showings per home decreased from 12.1 to 11.3. If you have questions about what's going on in your specific community, give me a call or send me a text. I'm Holly Amato, real estate specialist, and with me, always more than a move.